Welcome to Margaret Rule Hall, a sought-after student residence in Portsmouth that combines comfort and convenience in perfect harmony. Choose from an exclusive range of cozy ensuite rooms to spacious studio apartments, each offering plush beds, sleek study desks, and private bathrooms for a tranquil study and relaxation environment. Indulge your culinary skills in the well-equipped kitchens and enjoy seamless connectivity with free high-speed Wi-Fi. With laundry facilities, bike storage, and round-the-clock assistance, every convenience is within reach. But what truly sets Margaret Rule Hall apart is its prime location. Just a short walk from the University of Portsmouth and a quick drive from Highbury College, you'll never miss a lecture. Explore the vibrant tapestry of shops, pubs, and eateries nearby, including the iconic 7 Bone Burger Co. and the delicious flavors of Natty's Jerk. Dive into history at the Mary Rose Museum or embark on an adventure at Portsmouth Historic Dockyard and Action Stations, all just moments away. Additionally, commuting is effortless with the Civic Office's bus stop conveniently located nearby. So get ready for a gateway to unforgettable experiences at Margaret Rule Hall and book your new home at amberstudent.com today.